Tout prépare fort en exam. Preparing for en exam can be stressful and time consuming, but it doesn't have to be. Turn on it to stress out or cram. Bidouin à couple simple tinia iad of team, you can ensure you are confident en ready for anything ta comme you pont test. Preparing to study. Start studying early. Give yourself more time no team to revit material tawa covered in class. You might want to go soon to start studying much material you need to review. For instance, if you have to review material for an entire semester, you might want to start studying a week prior. However, if you are just taking a test ta cover material of a chapter, a week prior or even to for them be suffice, 1. Only you know how long it take you to study, so you are the best judge of when to start studying. If the class material is especially difficult for you, start studying early. Give yourself no time to truly grasp the material, practice it and then review it. Get a full night sleep before exam. Your brain needs time to subconsciously digest everything you've put into it, so start early so you don't have to stay up all night. 2. Read through entirety of your note ta will bon exam. It will refresh your memory of the material and help you remember why you learned. It will also help to make you aware of all the information in your note, or it is located in your note so that you know where to find them, and what might be missing from your note. Decide if you think your notes are sufficient to study from. Did you miss an class? Are some of your notes missing? If so, you might need to borrow someone else's note. Get some good note. If you're no a good note taker, or if there are holes in your note, then ask a friend if you can copy your note. Good note can make all the difference when you're studying. Take an explain content at book 2 et 1 explain well or highlight information and make it easy to understand and remember. If you only have a 5-page PDF note, but your friend at 20, then you probably missed some important information. Compare your note to your friend to see where the holes are in your note. Ask your teacher about the test material. One of the easiest way to begin your studying process is to find out why you want to test directly from your teacher. Many teachers will provide some guidance on what will not be covered on the test. Knowing which material to test will cover will help you focus on the material that you need to study. Your teacher most likely won't tell you exactly why you want to test, but she might give you some pointer behind your study guide, or simply announcing what exam will cover. 3. Reviewing information. Reread your note. Team reread your note for understanding. In whatever you are going to study your note. Start with the most basic information. So, if you're studying en history unit on impressionisme, make sure you know what impressionisme means. Who the most famous impressionist at the time? Ask yourself, who, when for a bar oblique subject matter you are supposed to know for the test. You can look up information online to study from, but the best information to study from is information presented to the class because the answer will be derived from your classroom material. Some team information on internet can vary from the information that you are presented in class. If you are planning to study from information provided on internet, stick with source ta with. Edu.org. Take note will you study. Take even more note. You can highlight and underline information avel, but writing information donne really help you retain it better. Make sure to write down a concept that you are struggling with or are having a hard time remembering. 4. Break down a complex subjects into steps or par. For instance, if you are trying to learn the of historical event, list out the event happened in the happened. For instance, first Linus Pauling discovered DNA, then Noah Harvard aprise. Write down the time fragment event influenced the happening. knowing the seed not should help you to recall information because it increases your level of understanding. Review your syllabus. Syllabus in outline of everything that you should have learned over the course of the class. A good place to start to understand major idea on topic that you should be learning from the class. Review it en highlight the title en subhead. The art section that you'll need to at least review to make sure you understand the big idea behind the topic. Some every don't page number or chapter that section of the syllabus pertain to in your book. Take note of those page because you should definitely review them. Every don't major topic on them that you pull out of the syllabus. Then, go through your note to see if you have any note on those topic. Once again, if you don't, you should ask someone for notes on those topic. En read section in the book pertaining to those topic. Anything outlined in syllabus usually game for test material. Review study guide en section. In some book, a chapter a short review or summary. Ti agree place to quickly review get a gist of a concept. Of course, if you have no idea what a summary referring to or you need more detail to jog your memory, refer to the study guide in the back of the book. Then, read those specific chapter or selection in the book that you've having trouble remembering. You might be able to find a study guide online for the material that you are studying if you are not able to get on from your teacher. Read important selection of the textbook. All of the titled section of the book from your syllabus should be read so that you can pull out important information. Will you read the section? Keeping the mind major concept that you're supposed to be learning from those section of the book. Every donne important detail you read. Note the chapter title en section title you read. There are give away to the major concept that are covered in those section. Preparing for exam. Make flashcard. After you have taken note from studying all of your material including the book on your note, use the information to make flashcard. Grab an index card, or paper into square to use a flashcard, turn statement into question. For instance, if the statement is Linus Pauling one of the discoverer of the DNA, then write on the flashcard question, WHO one of the main discoverer of the DNA? Write the question non seed, en answer on t. 5. Some ma question will spark an idea for a follow-up question. When you're making flashcard, often you'll be able to say you may have forgotten to study something. For instance, WHO wrote the discoverer of DNA? The question spring from the Linus Pauling statement because the main remind you that there were people involved in DNA's discovery. If you don't know answer to follow-up question, then you should research information and make flashcard for those questions too. Start making flashcard for information that you are having trouble remembering or grasping. The information that you need to read most. Then, move on to information that you already know pretty well. Making a physical copy of flashcard is recommended because you have to write down the question and answer, which is a repetitive process that will help you remember information. Also, you can carry the flashcard around and use them anytime. However, there are websites such as chakram.com that allow you to make online flashcard. Quiz yourself. On everything written down on flashcard. Quiz yourself with the card. Keep reviewing the question that you get wrong until you get them right. You can carry flashcard around with you and quiz yourself when you're on the subway or reading in the car. You might quiz yourself for a half hour or so, then take a break. Definitely continue to quiz yourself until you get them all right. 6. If you keep getting certain questions wrong, review your note en textbook again to see if there is something you're not understanding. Do practice question. T especially helpful for subject such as math. Practice doing a question in the book that you've assigned for homework. Do extra question in the back of the book. Redo question that you go wrong, entry to figure out why you got them wrong. Do practice question until you feel more comfortable with subject matter. If you still have more time before your exam, ask for assistance IT from a teacher or a friend. On the day of the exam, set your alarm at least 2 hours before the test. Scientists believe that a good night rest it can to better test score. 7. En hour and a half before the exam, start running through alttement subtopic in your head. Like always, check your notif you get stuck. Use your flashcard to help you come alt tiny detail to memory if they are not already memorized. Stop studying at least 15 minutes before the exam, but en hurry preferable. If you're given yourself no time to study, you should feel well prepared and relaxed. Forming a study group. Study with a friend. Keys et Chat about concept.